Hello, hello! Welcome back to our vlog. Latest chika natin kay Jericho Rosales na excited na sa nalalapit na palabas ng movie nila na Quezon. At super duper excited rin ang kanyang anak na si Santino Rosales at sinare nga niya kung gaano sila ka-close mag-ama. Morning Dad, I'm so near you today. Coaching kids for football. I met a fan of yours yesterday. So hyped for Quezon. It's a good sign. Many people are so excited about it. Miss you, Dad. Super sweet naman ni Santino. At sabi nga ni Jericho, nung pinost niya yan, this one's for my boy. When he was a kid, he would pull my hand and drag me to the point at posters of films he wanted to watch together. October 15, 2025 will be a very special day at pinagyan kanyang anak na si Santino Rosales. Super sweet ng mag-ama at parehong gwapo naman. Kaya keep on watching till the end at kabang-abang ang movie nila na Quezon. Keep on watching. Congrats, Jericho.
There you go.